Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the vibration settings for Stories notifications in Telegram. Do you want to revert the vibration settings for Stories notifications back to the default option? Well, you're in luck. Telegram allows you to easily change the vibration settings to the default option for a more standardized notification experience. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of changing the vibration settings for Stories notifications to default. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Vibrate. Step 4. Tap on the Vibrate option. You'll see a list of vibration settings. Select Default to revert the vibration settings for Stories notifications back to the default option. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the vibration settings for Stories notifications to the default option and enjoy a standardized vibration experience. Changing the vibration settings to default ensures that you have a consistent notification experience across your Telegram app, giving you a familiar and predictable vibration pattern for Stories notifications. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the standardized vibration experience for your Telegram Stories notifications.